GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on a large dataset of human-generated text and can generate human-like text on a variety of topics, as well as perform tasks such as sentiment analysis and text classification. GPT is a great tool and helpful to students in their studies. Let's see how in different ways the GPT can help you in your studies. Writing assistance. GPT can be used to generate text on a variety of topics, making it a useful tool for students who are struggling with writing assignments. Research assistance. GPT can be used to collect information, making it a useful tool for students who are conducting research or preparing for exams. Language translation. GPT can translate text from one language to another, making it a useful tool for students who are learning a second language or who need to access content in a different language. Study aid. It can generate flashcards or quizzes based on a given topic, making it a useful tool for students who are preparing for exams or trying to memorize information. Collaboration. It can facilitate collaboration between students, potentially making it easier for them to work together on group projects or assignments. GPT can generate customized learning materials or activities based on a student's individual needs and abilities, potentially leading to more effective and efficient learning. GPT can be used to provide personalized tutoring and support to students, potentially leading to increased academic success.